Now let's see this problem. Design a Turing machine for the language L is equal to W, where W must ends with AB over the alphabet A comma B. So here we have to design the Turing machine for this problem. Here for strings ending with or starting with or substring. So here for all these problems, the Turing machine is somewhat similar to DFA only. So first try to draw the DFA, and then from the DFA we need to construct the Turing machine. So first let's see the DFA for the strings ends with AB. So here the minimum string is here the string is AB. So the minimum length is 2 characters. So totally 2 plus 1, 3 states are needed. So first one is Q0 state, next one is Q1 state, next one is Q2 state, where Q2 is the final state. Here Q0 AB is the strings ends with AB, so AB. So this is DFA. So on Q0 we have to apply B, on Q1 we have to apply A, on Q2 we need to apply A and B. So here the strings ends with AB. So before AB we can have any number of B's. So we can write the self loop. On Q0 A is applied, B is applied. On Q1 B is applied, we have to apply A. Here we can apply the self loop like this. Why? Because here we get AB. The string ends with AB. So that is correct only. Next on Q2 we need to apply A and B. Here the string ends with AB. So if we apply A, then go to Q1 state. So after A, let we have B. So after B we have AB. So string ends with AB. Next, if we apply B, then we can't apply B here. Why? Because if we apply B, then we may get BB. But here the string ends with AB. So if we apply B, then we have to go to the state Q0. So after this B, we may have AB. So this is the DFA. Now let us try to convert the DFA into the Turing machine. So this is Turing machine. So this diagram is for DFA. So first to construct the DFA and then construct the Turing machine. So here totally 3 states are required, but in Turing machine 3 plus 1, 4 states are required. On Q2 if we apply blank symbol, then keep it as blank symbol only, go to the state Q3, where Q3 is the final state. So in Turing machine we need to have one more additional state. So Q0, Q1, Q2, here Q3 is the final state. On Q2 if we apply blank symbol, then keep it as blank symbol only and move towards the right. So here what is Q0? Q0 means here B. If we apply B on Q0, then keep it as B only and move towards the right. Next, Q0 to Q1, A. If we apply A on Q0, then keep it as A only and then move towards the right. So in any problem, just we need to follow this approach only. So A means keep it as A only, move to the right. B means B only, keep it as B only, move towards the right. Likewise, on Q1, on transition A, keep it as A only, move towards the right. Next to Q1 to Q2, B. Keep it as B only and move towards the right. So B. Next on Q2, if the input is A, keep it as A only but move towards the right. Next, so this is for A. Next Q2 on B. Q2 on B. So keep it as B only and move towards the right. So this is nothing but the Turing machine for the strings ends with AB. So this is about this problem. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as share the channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.